Hello children, today we are going to learn in this class what all we learned till now, sixth lesson, that all we recall once. Okay, so first main I return here, write the numbers name. Some of you did mistake in your textbooks, so I am going to revise you once again this all the mains. Understood? So they given you 1, 3, 6. So ones, tens and hundreds. If it is in 3 digits, it will be in hundreds, right? So 136. So 136. How you have to write in names? What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E. 100 spelling. What is the spelling of 100? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. 100. How much is there? 3, 6. So 3 is in tens place. So 3 tens are there. 6 ones are there. So what it becomes? Leave this, see this number, what it is now? 36. So you have to write 36 spelling. What is 30 spelling? T-H-I-R-T-Y. 36. S-I-X. 6. So this is 6. 13 tens, 3 in tens place. So 3 tens are 30 and 1 is in 100 place. So 100. How many 100? 136. 136. Like this you have to written, right? But some of you what you did know, 136. You written spelling also like that only. 136. So that is not right answer, right? So you have to write 100. So 3 is in tens place. So what it becomes? 30, right? 3 tens become 30. So we have written 30 and in ones place how much it is? 6. So how much you should write? 6. S-I-X, 6. 136. So next one it is 145. So how much in 100 place? 1. So what you have to write? 1. 100. How much 100 is there now? 100. 100. So what is there in tens place? 4 is there. So 4 tens become how much? 40. What is 40 spelling? F-O-R-T-Y. 40. 100. 40. What is in ones place? 5. So you have to write 5. So you got answer 145. What is the answer? 145. So next is 258. So 2 is in hundreds place. So what you have to write? First 2. It is in which place? Hundreds place. So 200. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 200. So 5, 8 is there. Tens place 5 is there. So how much 5 it is? 50, right? 5 tens become 50. So what is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. What is in ones place? 8. So you should write E-I-G-H-T-H. Right children? See, hundreds place 2 is there, 5 is in tens place, 8 is in ones place. So 258. Okay. Then next one they given, next one 379. 379. So 3 is in hundreds place. What you have to write? 3. First you have to write 3. 3 is in 100 place. So what you should write now? 100. HUNDRED. 100. 379. How much it is there? In tens place, 7 is there. So 7 tens becomes 70, right? So you have to write 70. SEVENTY. 70. 9 is there in ones place. So you have to write 9. 379. 379. So here they given 493. So what you have to write first? 4 spelling. What you have to write now? 4 spelling. FOUR. 4. 100 spelling. HUNDRED. 100. 400. In tens place, what is there? 9 is there. So 9 tens become 90. NINETY. 93. 3 spelling you have to write. THREE. 3. So 493. If your 5 is not there, you think, so 5 they didn't give you, they given you 0. They given you 0. So what you should do? Now 200 you written, right? So in 10th place 0 is there. So what you have to do at that time? You have to not write anything. You have to not write anything there. 200. So in 10th place nothing is there. 0 is there. So you have to not write anything. So in ones place what you have? You have 8, right? So 208. 208. Understood, children? If the given middle 0, you should not write anything. You should write only 200 spelling and you should write what is there in ones place, that spelling. So now here 145 you think, now I'll rub this 5, I'll write here 0. So 140 is now. 100, it is same. So next in tens place what you have? We have 40, right? We have 4 in tens place. So its value is 40. So we written 40. So here you should not write anything that time. Here in ones place it is 0. So you should not write anything there. You should not write anything there. So 140. For example, I am showing you this, children. So 0 is there. You should not make a confuse. So what I have written, I have rubbed that only and I am showing you how to write. Understood? So see 104 in tens place. 0 is in ones place. So 0 in ones place, you have to not write anything. So we end with the tens place. 140. So here 208 they given. 200, it is 2 is in 100 place. So we return 200 and in tens place 0 is there. So we should not write anything. So in ones place 8 they given. So what we should write? 8. So 208. Understood? I hope you all understood this. One more time, you should not make a confusion. Right, children? So next we will see here, they given you enough spellings. So here we written numbers they given, we written a spelling number name for that, right? So here they already given you spellings. For this you should write numbers. So what is the heading? Write the following number names in figures. So figures means you should write in numbers. So 100, so you make it as a 3. 100, 10 and 1s. Right? This is 100. This is 20. It is in tens. And this is 5. Right? So 100 they given. How many 100 they given? 100. O-N-E-1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, 100. So if they given 100 for you, how much you should write there? You should write 1. First, in 100 place, what they given? 1. Then the next, in 10th place, what they given for you? 20. So for 20, how many tens will be there? 2 tens will be there, right? So you should write 2. So for 20, how many tens you'll be having? You'll be having 2 tens. How many tens? 2 tens will be having. So you written 2 there. So next what they given? 5. F-I-V-E, 5. So you should write there 5. So what is the answer? 125. 125. Right, children? So next 200. 258. So in 100's place, how much they given? 200. 200. How many hundreds they given now? They given you 200. So you should write 2. Then in 10th place, what they given? They given you 50. So how many tens we have there in 50? We will be having 5 tens, right? So we should write how much? 5. So what is in 1's place? 8. So how much we should write? 8. So 258. 258. Got answer? Next, 346. 346. So in 100's place, how much it is there? In 100's place, 3 they given. In 10's place, 40 they given. In 1's place, they given you 6. So 346. So how many hundreds you should write there? 300. 40 means how many tens you will be having? 4 tens. So in 1's place, you have 6. So you are writing 6 there. 346. 346. 346. Next, they given you 487. So how many hundred we have? How many hundred we have? We have 400. We have 400. And we have 80. 80 means how many tens? 80. How many tens you got? 8 tens, right? So 8 in tens place. 7 we have in 1's place. So what is the answer? 487. 487. 293. 293. So how many how many we have in hundreds place? We have 2 in hundreds place. 2 hundreds we have. Then 90. So how many tens are there? 90. 9. We got there only in the spelling, right? 9. So 3 in tens place. So what is the answer? 293. 293. How you have to learn spellings? If you know only, you can answer for this, children. So TWO2, 100 spelling, HUNDRED, 100. So 90, NINE, 9, TY, 90. THREE, 3. So if you are knowing the spellings only, then you can read and answer it. If you are not learning spellings, you can't write the answers. So let me move to next main, what we will learn. Okay. So children, next main, we are learning that after numbers, before numbers and in between numbers. So how to write after number, how to write before number, and how to write in between number. So we are revising this and recalling once again, right? So I given you 1-digit number, 2-digit number, and 3-digit numbers. So I given you 3 types of examples also here: 1-digit number, 2-digit numbers, and 3-digit numbers. So how you have to write after number for this? Now your 1-digit number, this you can write it easily. After 6, what is the number after 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 after 7. So you can say it easily, right? So what is the after number of 6? 7. What is the after number of 6? It is 7. Right? So next I given you 2-digit numbers, that is 1, 8. So 1, 8 becomes what? 18. Right? So 1, 8 becomes 18. So 1, 8 becomes 18. So here how you can write the number for this after number? You are seeing in tens place number or in ones place number to write after number. From where you have to take? You have to take from first number, this tens place number you have to take. So for tens place you have to write after number? No. From for which number we always write after number? For ones place number. So tens place and hundreds, if it is in 2-digit, tens place number won't change. If it is in 100 place, the hundreds place number won't change. So only the ones place number is going to change. So what you have to do? You have to add it 1. What? You have to add it 1 number and you have to write after number. Right, children? So what is the after number of 8? 8 after 9. So 18 after number is 19. 18 after number is 19. What? You have to write. So this one will be the same, and for 8 after number is 9. 19. Right, children? So next 54 the given. 54. 5, 4. So 54. The tens place you have to take? No. Where from you? For which number you have to write after number? You have to write after number for 4, right? 54. You have to write 5. 4 after 5 only, right? 54 after number is 55. 54 after number is 55. What is the after number for 4? 5, right? So tens place number won't change for you. The ones place number only you have to add 1 more extra. Right, children? So 142 they given for you next. It is 3-digit number. So you have to change this number. Next number of 100 place you have to write. So if you write, if you change 100 place number, what it becomes? So next number of 100, it becomes 100 that plus you have to do, right? So we should not change. Just one number has to be changed. So where we have to change it is, we have to change in ones place number only. Always remember, children, this one. If it is one number, ones place only it will be there. So easily you can change. If it is 2-digit, 3-digit numbers, so from where you have to change the where you have to add the number. So you have to add number for ones place number. You have to add number for ones place number, right? So 142 the given. The 1 will be the same. The 4 will be the same. After 2, what is the number? 3. After 2, what is the number? 3. 142 after number is 143. So next 261 they given, right? So 260 they given, 260 they given. The 100th place number 2 will be same, 10th place number 6 will be same. 0 after what is the number? 0 after what is the number you will write? 0 after 1 only, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that only we will say the numbers. So what is the number after 0 is 1. So the answer is 261. 261. So next 354 we have. So 100th place 3 will be same and 10th place 5 will be same. What will be changed now? 4. So ones place they given 4 for you. What is the after number for 4? It is 5. After number for 4 is 5. So the answer will be 355. 378. So 100th place 3 will be same. 10th place 7 will be same. The ones place 8. The ones place 8 they given. 8 after number what you have to write? 8 after number you have to write 9. 8 after number is 9. So 378 you have to write 379. So next 425. 425. The 400th place will be same. The 10th place 2 will be same. The ones place 5 is there. So 5 next number what you have to write? Next number is 6. If you add for 5 one more number it becomes 6. So you have to write 6. 426. 426. Understood children? If they given you 0, the next number will be 1. If they give 1 in a ones place, the next number will be 2. The 2 is there, next number is 3. 3 will be the next number. For 3, next number is 4. So, ones place only you see and write the next number for ones place. So, easily you can write the after number, right? If it is 3 digit, if it is 2 digit also, you should see which place number, ones place number, right? So now, like this you have to write the after numbers, right children? So ones place number only you should see and you should write the next number for that. So now I am asking you to write before number. Before number. So now you have written after number for the following numbers, but now I am asking you to write before numbers. Before means backward. You will write numbers, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is forward numbers. Backward numbers 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the backward numbers, right? So you have to write your backward number. What is the backward number for 8? I am asking you now. What is the backward number for 8? Before 8, what number will come? Before 8, 7 will come. Oh, you can say 9. From 9 only you can take the numbers forward, backward numbers. 9, 8, 8 before 7. 9, 8, 8 before 7. You should write here 7. Here also same children. You don't take 10th place number. The 10th place number 2 will be the same here. You take ones place number. So I give on you here 22. What is the backward number for 2? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is the backward number for 2 here? 1. So what is the answer? 21. 21 after number is 22. Right? So ones place number only. Here also you should take. Here we are going back. Here we are coming front. One number front we are coming means one number. After number we are writing. 4 means we are writing 5. But here 5 means you should write 4. So this is a backward, that is a forward. Okay. Now I given you 88 here. 8 is in 10th place. It won't change. So one more 8 is in ones place. So ones place number will be changed now. So what is the backward number for 8? What is the backward number for 8? So what you should write? 7. Backward number is 7. So here I given 3-digit numbers. If it is in 3-digit also, where you have to change the number, only the ones place number is going to change. So 100 and 110 will be the same. So what is the backward number for 5? Backward number for 5. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. What is the backward number? 5 before 4. So you have to write 4. 1, 1, 4. So 2, 1, 6 I given. 2, 1, 6 I given. What is the before number for 6? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. What is the before number for 6? It is 5. So easily you can do it, right, children? So from which place number you have to take? From ones place number. From which place you should take? From ones place number. Remember this. Okay. So next 3, 2, 3 they given. So 3 is in 100 place same. 2 is in 10th place same. So 3 is in ones place. 3 is in ones place. So you have to write before number for this 3. So what is the before number of 3? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is the before number? 2. So answer is 322. So next 359 I given. 359. 350 is the same. So what is the before number for 9? 9 before 8. 9 before 8. So next 425. 425 they given. What is the before number for 5? 5 before is 4. 424. You understood, children? 7 after 8. 21, 22, 87, 88, 114, 115, 115, 116, 215, 216, 322, 323. So you remember that you should change ones place number only. Ones place number only. Understood? Now they given you here we written after number, here we written before number. This is we are going to write in between. We are going to write in between number. So they given you before number also, after number also. Between number what you will get, that you have to write. The same thing here also you can follow that. You can see ones place number. Which number you have to see? Ones place number. So I given here 1-digit number. So 8 after 8, what is the number? 9. After 8, what is the number? 9. So before 10, what is the number? 9. 10, 9, 8. 10, 9, 8. If we come backward, it is 10, 9, 8. If we go forward, 8, 9, 10. Understood? This is the method. 23 dash 25 they given. So 2 is common. 2, 2. The ones place number is 3. Here it is 5. You should write after numbers for 3. What is the after number for 3? 3 after 4. So 23, 24, 25. This is the between number for you. 95 dash 97. So 9, 5 after number what? 5 after number is 6. 5 after number is 6. So 9 to 1 to 10, if you are proper in numbers, before number and after number, you can write easily for any number, backward also, forward also, and in between also. So perfectly you should know the numbers, which is after number, which is backward number. Understood? So 134. So 134. 4 after which number you have to write? We have to write 5. 134, 135, 136. 249. 249. Now here you are going to change the number. See here, they given you 51. Here it is 49. Tens place number also it is going to change now, because here 9. 9 after what we get? We get 10, right? 249. Here 251. So you take from this side, you are getting confusion, you can take here. What is the 2? The 5 will be same. Don't take forward weight. You are getting confusedness. You can take this number I am saying. So if you take this number 2, 5, what is the before number for 1? Before 1 it is 0, right? So it is 50. So 49 after number is 50. 50 after number is 51. So it is in here, the ones place is 4 and here it is become 5, because the last number is 9. If last number 9 comes, what happens? It will change. See here, this is 9, this will be 10, right children? So it is 1 digit number, it is 2 digit number. So what it happens now, if it is 29, so 9 after 10 comes, so the 2 numbers will be there. So we can write, if we write like this, what happens? It becomes 39. So we can't take it 10 as a 10 numbers, we are not going to add for the thing, right? So ones place number only one we should take. So it is 0, right children? What it becomes? 0. What it becomes? 0. So this carry on where it will go? It will go on this. So it is 29. So here 10 it is. So this carry on will be here. So what it becomes? It becomes 30. So here 0 and this 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So it becomes 30. So this 10 where it will carry on? To the 10th place number, where it is going to carry on? In 10th place number. That 1 will be carry on to 10th place number. So when I am showing you regrouping revision, I will show you in the currency only examples that how many times if we put it becomes 100 and how many ones will become 110 and how many hundreds will become 1000. Like that, in a currency, when I am showing you the notes, that time I will show you the examples to you. Understood? So 306 they given, here 308 they given. So 3 will be same, 0 will be same. What is the number next number to 6? It is 7. What is the next number to 6? It is 7. So next is 468. So hundreds place and tens place will be same. What is the next number for 8? It is 9. See? So here automatically change 69. So what it becomes there? It becomes for this one more number extra. So 6 after number is 7. So 9 after number is 10. So we return there 0. The where 1 will go to here. Right? So this one becomes 7 and this one becomes 0. Understood? 341, 343. So 3 is in 100 place same, 4 is in 10th place same. What is the ones place number? 1. So next number 1 is 2. 342. So children, next we are going to learn ascending and descending order. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn ascending and descending order. So how will you write this ascending and descending order? What do you mean by ascending and descending order? So ascending order is nothing but that smaller number to bigger number. Smallest number to biggest numbers you have to write and go. Descending order is biggest number to smallest number you have to go. This is smallest number to biggest number you have to go. For descending, you have to come biggest number to smallest number. That is descending. This is ascending is the small number to big number. Okay. So how we are writing this now? So here they given you 2-digit numbers. How many digit numbers? So first one, it is 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers. So when you are writing before number, after number, which number you are seeing to write in ones place number, right? So in ones place number you are writing. So when you are writing ascending order and descending order, which number you have to see? You have to see the tens place number? No, you should not see the tens place number. If it is in 2-digit numbers, you have to look after the tens place numbers. You have to see tens place number and you should write in ascending order. So we will see the tens place numbers now. So it is here 1, here it is 7, here it is 1 again, here it is 2, and here it is 9, and here it is 6. So if you have 10th place number, if you have 10th place number, same. If you have 10th place number, same. So for example, this 1 and 1, you have 2 times here. So what you have to do, how you can find if 1 and 1, which is a smallest number now? So you can't find out, right? So what you have to do now, in this, the smallest number is 1 only. So 1 we have taken first. So in this 1 and 1 we can't find which is the smallest number. So what you have to do that time, the 10th place number is same. Then you have to look after 1's place number. 10th place number is same. Then you have to look after ones place number. So here it is 4 and here it is 1. So 1 is a small number than a small number, or 4 is small number. So one number is only small. So what you have to do? You have to write this number in first. You have to write this number in first. So you got 11. So you got 11. Then you had to search greater number from this. Greater number from this. So this is only greater we have from this. So we have written 14. So 1 after which number is greater? 4 is greater. Then this 2 greater, which number we get? So greater number means, I said you that mouth open side is always greater number. Mouth closed side is always smaller number, right? So now next we have to see the 7, 2, 9, 6. So in this, which is the smallest number? We have 7, 2 and 3. So this is finished and this is finished. You cancel it. This and this is finished. So now we left out 7, 2, 9, 6. So in this, which is the smallest number? 2 is only smallest number. So you have to write your 28. What you have to write? You have to write 28. So next 28 is finished. Then 99, 63 and 73. 7, 9 and 6. So which is the smallest number in that? Is 9 is smallest number? Is 7 is smallest number? Or 6 is smallest number? So 6 is only smallest number. So we are writing here 63. So 63 is finished. Next we are taking 99 and 73. So 7 is bigger or 9 is bigger? Which smaller number? 9 or 7? Which we have to write? We have to write 73. Then 99. So why I have written you the symbol of this? Because from small to big we written, right? So 11 is smaller than 14. 14 is smaller than 28. 28 is smaller than 63. 63 is smaller than 73. 73 is smaller than 99. So from small to big we return. So symbol is showing this. This is smaller than this. This is smaller than this. This is smaller than this. Okay. So at last we got a bigger number. So I use this symbol for you for an example. For example, I use this symbol. Okay. Understood, children? Oh, now next I given you 64, 25, 38, 57, 26 and 4. So how many numbers I given? 64, 25, 38, 57, 26, 4. So all 2-digit numbers, one is 1-digit number. So easily we can write the 1-digit number is small, then we return there 4. So next, all it is 2-digit numbers. So we have to look after the tens place numbers. So here it is 6, here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 5, again it is 2. So 5, 3, 6, 2, if we taken, 2 is only smaller number, right? 2 is only smaller number. So what we have to do now, 25 and 26 I took, 25 and 26 I have taken. So what we have to do, this 5, the next number we have to see because 2 and 2 is same. So we have seen here the ones place number. Here it is 5 and here it is 6. So 5 is smaller or 6 is smaller? Obviously 5 is smaller. So what we have to do? We have to write here 25. Then 26. So now 38, 57. So this is finished, and this is finished. So So 64, 38 and 57 is there. 5, 3, 6. Which is the small? 3 is only small. So we are writing 38. So next 64 and 57. So 5 is bigger or 6 is bigger? So 6 is bigger. So we have to write here smaller. What you have to take? 5. 5, 7. So next we have to write 64. So remaining is that number only. So 4 is smaller than 25. 25 is smaller than 26. 26 smaller than 38. 38 is smaller than 57. 57 is smaller than 64. Right? So next we have in 3-digit numbers. So we have in 3-digit numbers. So we have written here 2-digit number. So next we have 3-digit numbers. So what we have to do? We have to look after ones place number? No. We should not look after ones place number. We should not look after tens place number. We should look after which is smaller number in hundreds place. So we have to look after 100 place numbers. We have to look after 100 place numbers. I have said you that if it is 2-digit numbers, we have to look after tens place number. If tens place number is same, then we have to look after ones place number. Here also, so we are looking after 100 place number. Where you have to look? We have to look after 100 place number. If 100 place number we got same, then we have to look after tens place number. So if tens place number also it is same, then we have to look after ones place number. Right, children? So we have 2, 4, 1, 1, 3. So 1 here 1 and here 1 in hundreds place it is repeated, right? So when we are looking after tens place number now, 1 and 6. So which is the smallest number? 1 is only smallest number. So what you have to write? 118 is the first. And then you have to write 163. So next we are having 2, 4 and 3. 2, 4 and 3. Which is a small number? 2 only is a small. 2, 0, 4. So next 4 and 3. So which is the smallest number? 3 is the smallest number. So last we are writing 406. So 118 is smaller than 163. 163 is smaller than 204. 204 is smaller than 314. 314 is smaller than 406. So this one small to big we have written. Small to big. Smallest number to greatest number. But here we have to write from greatest number to smallest number. We have to write from greatest number to smallest number. So what method we are following here, same will be followed here, but we have to look after which is the greatest number. Here we looked which is the smallest number. Here first we take on 2-digit numbers and one number is 1-digit number. So here also same we are looking to tens place number. So this is only 1. So the small number this only will be there. So 2-digit numbers which is the biggest number we are seeing. So it will be at last because it is a 1-digit number. So 61, 18, 48, 57, 80. 6, 1, 4, 5, 8. So which will be the greatest number in this? So 6 is greater than 1? Yes. 1 is greater than 4? Yes. 4 is greater than 5? No. 5 is only greater than 4. So 8 is greater than 5. So which will be the correct? 8 and 6 you see. So 8 is only greater number. So you have to write first 80. You have to write first 80. Then 6, 4, 5. So 5, 4, 6. Which is the greatest number? 6 is only greatest number. This is finished. So 6 is only greatest number. So 6 we have written. So if I want to show the symbol here, how I should show? Like this. How I should show? Like this. So because here the smallest number I am showing, here I am showing the biggest number. So biggest number means mouth open side, this side only I have to show the symbol. So 61 greater than, this is finished. So 4, 8, 5, 7, 5 or 4. 5 is only, 5 is smaller than 6. Smaller symbol I have shown. So next, this 57 is finished. Then we have to take 4, 1. 4 is greatest or 1 is greatest? 4 is only greatest. 48. So now 1, this is single digit, this is double digit. So this only we have to write 18, then it is 9. So see, 9 is greater than 18? No, smaller than 18. Like that we return 80 is smaller, 80 is greater than 61, 61 is greater than 51, 57 is greater than 748, 48 is greater than 18, 18 is greater than 9. So this is greater. Your smaller, 11 is smaller than 14, 14 is smaller than 28, 28 is smaller than 63, 63 is smaller than 73, 73 is smaller than 99. So your smallest to big, greatest number, your greatest number to smallest number. Right children, you have understood, I feel. Next, we have 3-digit numbers. We have 3-digit numbers. So we are seeing hundreds place numbers only. Hundreds place number. If 100 place number is same, then we have to look after tens place number, right? So we need now greatest number. 1 is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So 3 and 2, which is the greatest number? 1 is smallest number than 2. 2 is smallest number than 3, right? So which we have to take now? 3 only we have to take first. 3 only we have to take first. 309. So after this, which is the small? 2, 2. They given 2 times 2. 2 and 2. So what we have to do now? We have to look after tens place number. We have to look after tens place number. Here it is 8 and here it is 9. Which is the bigger number? 9 is only greatest number. So we are writing here 293. 293. Then we have to write 286. 286. Then now 154 and 144. So hundreds place number is same. Then what we will see? Here it is 5 and here it is 4. Which is the biggest number? 5 is only biggest number. So we are writing 154. Then the remaining last is 144. Right children? Now I took again 3-digit numbers. So if we are seeing in hundreds place number, here also it is 3, here also it is 3, here also it is 3, here also it is 3 and here also it is 3. So how will you say which is the greater number? So next tens place number we have to take. Here also 0 and here also 0, here also 0 and here also 0 and here also 0. So then what we have to do? We have to look after ones place number. We have to look after ones place number. So it is 6, it is 8, it is 4, it is 5 and it is 9. So 6, 8, 4, 5, 9. Which is the biggest number, greatest number? The 9 only we will get a biggest number. So what we have to write first? 309. So 9 after before number is 8. So 308. 8 after 6, 4, 5 is there. 5, 4, 6. Which is the biggest number? 6 only biggest number. So we should write 306. Here 5 and here 4. Which is the greatest number? 5 is only greatest number. So 305. Then 304. Understood, children? The ascending order is from smallest number to biggest number. Descending order is from biggest to smallest number. So from where we have to take the numbers? If it is in 2-digit numbers, we have to see in tens place number, which is smallest or biggest, that we are writing. If at ascending order, you should see first smallest number, then biggest number. If we are writing descending order, we should see first greatest number, then we have to see smallest number. So tens place number is same if it is in 3-digit, if it is 2-digit number, tens place is same, we have to see ones place number, right? So like that only, same we are following in 3-digit numbers. We are seeing first hundreds place number. So hundreds place numbers are same. Then we have to see tens place number. Tens place number also is same. Then we have to see ones place number. So I hope you all understood the method. So thank you, children. So next class we will meet in place value and greater number, smaller number, how we have to put the signs. Okay, thank you.